Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can customize the Wix sign up and login page. So start from the Wix dashboard here and then click on this to edit your site. It'll take you to here, the Wix website editor. And from here, you want to go to page, click on this manage page. And from here, click on sign up and login. And from here, click on the gear icon here that appears when it hovers. And then click on the drop down menu here to change it to custom form. On custom form, it'll take you to this. This is the custom sign up page you just made. And if you want to change the design, click on this icon on the brush and you can change the design to your heart's content. I'm going to change it to this. Same thing for the login page. Go back to page again, manage pages. On manage pages, go to sign up and login. Now for the login form, on the gear icon again, gear icon, drop down, custom form, add to site, and it'll add this, adding sm-platform.app. And now you have a login page to customize. Click on it again. You can add elements to it if you want, but mostly some of these you can't customize. Like for example, this login you can't customize, it's pre-made. But if you do want to add elements to it, like an image or something to the background, you can. You can also add animations to it if you want. You can customize the sign-in design, but for the login is pre-made and it's set in stone by Wix itself. So you can't really design this a lot.